Hi guys, it's Riley again, and today I'm going to be talking about first few days of you starting your Invisalign journey. So the first day you get your aligner, you will notice it begins to feel pretty tight, and that is where this guy comes in. This is called the Chewy Aligner Tray Seater. So you literally just chew on it, literally. You chew on it for about 2 minutes. So it allows the small grooves of your teeth to fit down into the aligner. So each time you take out your aligner, you will want to chew on it for about 2 minutes so that it will fit easier. And also make sure you brush your teeth good every time you take out the aligner to eat or drink. And make sure you clean the aligner at least once a day. And you can also use the cleaning crystals or toothpaste and toothbrush. And lastly, make sure you are taking advantage of the Invisalign app. So let me show you that real quick. Okay, so this is what your app looks like. It's called My Invisalign. So once you get it, you'll fill out this information, and once it's all filled out, you will have your current aligner. I'm currently 41 out of 60, so I'm almost finished. And then over here, you'll have how many days you have until your next aligner. So it's basically just like a tracking thing. It helps you keep up with everything. All right, so right here, there you have new cases, and you can go on here to the accessory shop, and this is where you'll buy them. So they have all these different kinds, so that's super cool. And they show you videos to help you out, and then they have all the different colors. So that's really cool in my opinion. And then they have quotes, and they have tips and maintenance. And then down here, you set your goal. And I'm pretty sure everybody would like their teeth to be beautiful by the end of their journey. Alright guys, so I hope I helped you guys out to get started on your Invisalign journey, and I am so happy for y'all, and I really hope this video helped you guys out and y'all made an awesome choice to get Invisalign. Bye guys!